Hello viewers, welcome to the video lecture series of Hand Embroidered, Class 10th, Unit 1, Session 1. Today's topic is shapes and forms. Everything we see around us is a shape or a form. Shapes and forms define objects in space. What do we know about them? Shape is a two-dimensional defined area that is flat or 2D. They are called two-dimensional because you can measure them in two ways.
That is their length and width.
They can be regular with equal sides like a square or a hexagon or a pentagon, or they can also be with unequal sides like a diamond or a rectangle. Shapes can also be used to describe silhouettes like a line and empire line. Shapes can be classified in two primary types, that is geometric shapes and organic shapes. Geometric shapes have precise area. They have regular names like a square, a triangle or a circle. They are mostly man-made. Other type is organic shapes. They are irregular and do not have any specific names. They are mostly found in nature and are free-flowing. Now, let us understand about forms. Form is a defined space that has depth and is three-dimensional or a 3D. They are created by combining two or more shapes. For example, a cube, a pyramid, or a sphere. We can measure form in three ways, that is,
by their length, width and depth.
For better understanding, let us take an example. Sometimes we have to interpret 3D forms into shape, that is, when we simply draw an object. And sometimes we create a 3D form from a flat drawing, as we do when we create a sculpture or an installation. Shapes and forms can be defined by lines, values, that is, by adding an area lighter or darker than the surroundings, or by changing the color, or by adding a different texture or a pattern. Thereby, we can conclude by saying that shapes and forms are important elements of design which help us in balancing and enhancing the aesthetic appeal of the garment. So viewers, in this video, you will learn about shapes and forms. We can conclude by saying shapes and forms are important elements of design which help us in balancing and enhancing the aesthetic appeal of the garment. Thank you for watching. Till then, keep learning, keep watching.